Let's see, these are so stinking cute. I love them, and they're so lightweight. I love them, love them, love them. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to hop on here and share with you a product that a company sent out to me. They're actually some sunglasses. I was just going to review them and try them on and share them with you guys. And if you're interested, I will have them linked in the description box below. But they did send me 2 sunglasses. The brand is SOJOS. And you can find them on Amazon. They have tons and tons. I've actually purchased a ton of their glasses in the past, and I will also link those if you would like. But let's go ahead and open this first one. Okay, so this is the first one. It's just in like a little box. So this one is and I think all of their sunglasses are polarized, which is a good thing. And I've actually been sent out some of their blue light glasses, which I love because I'm always on my laptop working. So, okay. So here is the first one here. They give you, like a lot of the other companies, they give you a travel bag to put them in, as well as a cleaning cloth that has like their signature logo on them. And then these come in a little baggie. Okay. Oops. So they give you a little sticker that says maintenance, and it just tells you how to clean them. And these are so cute. I chose these because I thought they were very like sleek and retro. Sorry, taking off all these little bitty protector things. And I just smudged them. That's why they give you these. Okay, so these right here are so cute. Look at those, so sleek. And I love the detailing on the, not sure if you can see it. It's like rigid up here. I think you can see that, but let's see. These are so stinking cute. I love them, and they're so lightweight. I love them, love them, love them. Definitely I'll be wearing these for sure. And these are called the small square polarized with gold frame gray lenses. They're cute, right? I love that they're not circle. They have like an oval shape. So cute. So thin and lightweight. I'm definitely gonna be using these for sure. This is one in my bag. I have so many sunglasses. I need to probably do a giveaway or something. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this big box here. So it comes with this little bag here, and it has just another little cleaning cloth and directions on how to clean them. Look how cute this box is. Look at that. So when you open it, that's cute. I love this. This box is so cute. I'm definitely gonna probably put this in my purse. Okay. So it does come with, a lot of their glasses do come with the little screwdriver things to tighten the screws if they get loose on these sunglasses. But here we go again in the little baggie. And let's take these out. And of course, I always get my fingerprints on them before I even take them out. These are so cute. And they're so lightweight. I thought they'd be heavier, but I guess that's a good thing. Okay, so here are these. Super cute frame as well, very lightweight. And these are like I'm not sure what frame they are. Oh, it says Sports Polarized Men Rose Gold Mirror Lens. So let's try these on. And these are kind of like aviator shape. I think they're so cute. These are really cute. Definitely gonna keep these too. I just love that they're so lightweight. So cute. I like them for sure. But that's it, you guys. I just wanted to get on here and share with you these glasses from SOJO. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and link them in the description box below where you can pick them up or just check out their website. But that is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.